welcome. Let's look at these JAMB past questions, biology 2018, question number 10. If a child can receive blood from all donors, he belongs to the blood group A, O, B, A, C, B, D, AB. So does he belong to blood group O or A or B or AB? Now, for us to be able to understand this and appreciate it very well, we need to understand what universal donors are. Universal donors are those people with the blood group that they can donate to everybody. So, and that is blood group O. Anybody with blood group O can actually donate to anybody. Then we also have what we call universal receivers. That is the people with blood group that can receive from anybody, and that is AB. So from there you can see that this child can receive from all donors. He is a universal receiver. So the correct option is A, AB. Now, why is it like this? It is actually because group AB people possess plasma that contains neither antigen A or B. So it neither contains antibody for A or B. So because of that, the absence of this in the plasma of people with AB, they can actually receive blood from any donor. So had it been they says that this child can donate to anybody, no, it's a universal donor, it would have been O. But because of it can receive from everybody, then it is A. Thank you.